Here's the airplane after the first flight that we're going to see later on the video. Here we can see the bottom FPV camera. That's your normal FPV camera, the DJI air unit. And on the top of the canopy we can see the H.264 camera, the USB camera that is connected directly to our board. In this shot we can see the LTE modem on the board itself. On the top connector on the board is the power input, the 5 volts that I'm using from my flight controller, and there are some pins, so they're on the bottom of the board, actually in the middle of the board, that is for the ground signal and UARTX and RX signals. The USB on the top of the board is using for the LTE modem. You guys can see the ZTE LTE modem, and the button USB for the camera in this shot. On the bottom of the video, of this shot, you can see 2 very thick wires, and also on the top near the power for the board there's a very thick wire. Those wires are the wires that the bottom wire comes from the battery, that provides power to the everything from the flight controller to the onboard regulators to everything, and the top wire actually provide power for both motors. So one of my concerns during this project was the EMI, because the top wires are seeing 60 to 70 amps during takeoff. So I was scared the EMI would cause some issue, especially with the LTE signal, or maybe some crazy issue with the bird, but no issues were found. Everything went perfect, no problems. This next clip is my laptop screen being recorded. I have Mission Planner, that is the software that I need to talk to my flight controller, and VLC. VLC is just listening to an UDP port, 8090, waiting for the video from the board. Here we can see the board starting sending the first video. I will connect to the board via TCP using the SearchNet application that runs on the board and converts the serial port to a TCP connection. So here the flight controller software is talking, it's connecting to the board via TCP, and now we have full telemetry and video from the airplane. I cut the video where I take the plane to the field, to the strip to take off, and I'm gonna leave you guys with the flight. There are some brief interruptions during the flight. You just saw the takeoff, you can see the plane and trajectory on the screen, speed, current draw, battery, everything, altitude, airspeed, ground speed, everything is on the screen, as well as a video from the flight. I'm gonna leave you guys enjoy the flight. For me, this is a nice success, and allows planes and drones and whatever application you have to fly limitless, as long as you have some 4G or some sort of cellular connection. And yeah, that was a very fun project. There's going to be more stuff being done with this project soon. I hope next weekend, if the weather allows. It's a nice calm weather. I hope that I can do some longer flights. This next flight you guys are about to see in a few minutes. Right now I'm switching the flight mode to automatic flight mode. There is a mission that I previously draw, and the plane knows a path to fly right now. And yeah, it's just a mission, and it's a square mission. It does 20 laps, but I don't think I let it do the 20. I took off control, I take control, and I landed the plane later on the video. I'm gonna leave the landing as well. You guys can see me playing with the video, me playing around with stuff. I was very happy at this point that everything was working. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the flight, and hope to see you next week. Some new stuff being done with this project.